Hey friends, let's do our math question for the day. So in this question we have Zoran builds towers made from 3 different building blocks. The picture shows the height of 3 towers and we have to guess the height of the specific tower of a rectangle and a triangle. So let's see, what are we given? We have 3 towers. Can you see the 3 towers? Yeah. So in these 3 towers, one of them is the green and the pink piece. The green and the pink piece is 15. The green and the blue piece is 13. And they're also telling us that green, pink and blue together is 20. But now they're asking us how much is just the green, the pink and the blue, right? So what we need to do is we're already given this, right? And what we need to find is this thing, right? We know that this is part of this, right? This is this top portion, but it's just that we have to minus this green piece to get it. We know that if it had the green piece, it would have been 20. So we know the answer is less than 20, which is also what is our choices here, right? Anyways, so we have to figure out 20 minus what will give us that, right? Like, what is this green piece? How will we know what is this green piece? We don't know, right? The way to do this is, as you can see, all these 3 towers have the green piece in them in common, right? So we should be able to find what the green piece is, because here the green piece is there, in the second one also the green piece is there, in the third figure the green piece is there. So if the green, since everybody has a green piece, the way to do this is, we don't know what the green piece is. Let's call the green piece as x, okay, whatever it is, right? So we're going to say that in this first figure, the pink piece is equal to, the pink square is equal to 15 minus the x, which is the green piece, right? And then we know the blue triangle, right? The blue triangle is equal to 13 minus the green piece, right? The x, right? So we know that that's what the blue triangle is. So we know the blue triangle is that. Let me write it using the same colors so that you can imagine the things, right, correctly. The pink is the square, right? And let's write this in. So pink is the square. So pink would be 15 minus. Did you guys understand this? So the pink would be, in the first figure, it would be 15 minus x. The blue would be 13 minus x, right? So that's what it is. Because we need to find out what is this green piece. How do we get rid of this? What is the value of the green, right? That's what the question is asking. So we don't know that, right? What else can you do? I mean, there is one way to do this using this kind of a thing, but this is where it's headed, right? So what I would suggest to do is, what if we add everything, right? Can we build this structure using these 2 structures? What happens if we build this 3-figure structure using these 2-figure structures? We can do that, right? So we can do that. We can probably build this. We can combine these two and we can make this. Can you make this out using that? You can. But what will you have extra? What you will have extra is the green piece, because if you combine these two, you're going to have a green plus pink plus a blue piece plus a green piece. But this figure only has one green piece. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to combine. If we add both of those, we will get 15 plus 13, which is 28, right? If we combine the first and the second figure. This is the first figure and this is the second figure. If we combine, right? But now what we have created really is, we have created a blue, and we have created a pink, we have created a green piece, but we have also created an extra green piece by doing this. So now we know that if we combine those two, we are going to get 28, right? So what does this tell you? Now use this. Now let's use this part, okay? So what they told us and what the question has given us is, the blue piece plus the pink piece plus the green piece one of the green peas is 20. What does the question say? That this portion is 20, right? So the question says that this much is 20. So what does that tell you? What do you think this green piece is then? Like, then what does this tell you? What does this tell you that this green piece is going to be? This green piece is going to be a value of 8. There you go. So now if one of the green pieces is 8, this one is also a 8. So if both are 8, now what do we have to do? Right? So we know this is a 8. So we can do a 20 minus 8 to get just this part. What is 20 minus 8? It is 12. So the answer is 12. And that's how we solve this question. Is that interesting? Always when you're given a question, look at the question. First see what all does it tell you. These figure questions are very easy and interesting. Follow for more.